Hi class, in this video I will show you how to work on each module assignment. So here you can see the desktop is our course home. To access each module, please go to the navigation bar on the left and click modules. So in this module page, they list all the modules sequentially. So total we have 7 modules in this course. We have Module 0 talk about fraction, decimal, and percentage. Module 1 we will introduce equation, linear equation, and inequality. And Module 2 we will talk about geometry, geometric figure, and proving. So here we will introduce deductive reasoning and inductive reasoning. For Module 3 we will talk about exponent, polynomial, and logarithm. And also we have the second ground meeting due in the Module 3 in the week of April 15. And also the final project outline also due in this module week. Module 4 is the radical expression. So we will introduce how to simplify radical expression and apply Pythagorean theorem and the circle equation to do the radical expression. Module 5, we will do the factoring. We will learn how to do the factoring and solve quadratic equation. The last module, Module 6, is probability in the card game. In this module, I will introduce the basic concept of the probability and also apply those basic skills in the card game. In this module, I will use the blackjack game to show you how to use probability concept to calculate what the chance you can get a blackjack in the first hand. For Module 6, it's a little different is we don't have quiz for Module 6. Instead, we have the final exam in Module 6. And also the last module is our third ground meeting happen here. And in our third ground meeting, I will ask you to have you to present your final project. Okay, to help you to understand all the assignments in each module, let's use the Module 0 for example. So you can see in each module, here it showed all the pages and assignments in Module 0. You always should start from the overview page so you can understand what the assignment in this module. In each module, I divide the course content in couple different topics. So for example, in Module 0, we have 3 different topics. Topic 1, divisibility. Topic 2, fraction and order operation. Topic 3, decimal and percentage. And usually followed by each topic, you have self-review. That's kind of like homework to help you to evaluate how much you learn from this topic. Okay, I click on that. Let me go back. Okay, so after the topic page, so you have the self-review to help you to evaluate your learning outcome. And also besides the topic page, self-review, in each module we also have discussion. Each module usually will only have 1 discussion, but for the first week it's a little different. I have the first discussion topic is I want everyone to introduce themselves to help to know each other better. So we have 2 discussion topics in the first module. And the first one is introduction, and the second topic is the course related. So I want you to talk about how you apply fraction, decimal, and percentage in the real life. So most module we only have 1 discussion topic. And also besides the self-review and discussion, every module we also have the quiz. The last assignment is your quiz to evaluate your learning outcome for this module. So in Module 0 also you can see the final project outline and final project page. So later I will talk about what the requirement for the final project. So let's go to the overview for Module 0. Okay. So in the overview page, you can see we briefly talk about what the content in this module and also show you the objective. After you learn this module, what you should know, what objective you should know, and what kind of skill you should master well. The most important thing besides the objective, you also have the pace yourself. Here is the suggestion how you divide your time, manage your time to complete all the assignment for this module. Like I say, that's the suggested schedule for you. So if you prefer to do each assignment day by day, so that's a good thing. You can follow this schedule. However, sometimes I understand some senior students, they may have other core course, they cannot log in every day. So here, besides my suggested schedule, the other way you also can do is all the assignment for each module due by the last day for each module. If you can complete all the assignment by the last day of each module, there won't have any late penalty apply. But it's not including discussion. Discussion, like earlier we say, we require you to log into the Canvas at least twice a week. So these 2 times at least, you always need to participate in your discussion, because it's useless if we only everyone post their discussion on the last day of module. So that don't have the meaning for the discussion. So besides discussion, for all the assignment, for the self-review or for the quiz, I allow everyone to submit their assignment by the last day of the module. But for your discussion, please make sure when you log in twice for each week, make sure you make your discussion post in response to other classmate discussion. Since we talk about discussion, let's see the discussion page. So in each module discussion, I will, according to the course content, and ask you to share with us your thought, how you apply those important math concepts in your real life. So for example, in the module 0, we just review the calculation about the fraction, decimal, and percentage. So I want you to share with me how you apply those important notation in real life. So you can, in the discussion topic 2, you have 3 questions can answer. So you just pick one of the questions to answer. The most important thing for discussion is you always need to follow the timeline here. So for example, this one you need to submit your initial response by the 4th day of module 0. So that will be March 29 on Thursday. And also I have the length requirement for your initial post. You need to make 50 to, including 50 to 120 words in length. So some students ask me, if how about they make too much? So usually if too much words, I'm fine with that, because I know sometimes you will have some example in there. But I make the length requirement is give the idea, so how much thing you need to include in your post. So make sure at least you need to make 50 words in your post. If sometimes you feel like you don't know what to include in your post, the most important thing you need to know, for math, the most important thing, give the real example. For example, if you have the real life application, you talk about decimal, or you talk about the money, so you can give us example how you calculate tips. So that will help other students, other classmates understand better, and also you can include enough you can meet the length requirement for each post. Besides, you need to make your initial response according to the question I asked here. And also you need to submit at minimum 2 responses to the classmate or me, your instructor, by the 6th day of each module. So for each discussion topic, you need to make 1 initial post and at least 2 other response to other student, other classmates, or the instructor. So total you need to make at least 3 posts in each discussion. And also your participation also have the length requirement, that will be 30 to 75. Okay, so this video I will only introduce for the discussion, because later I will spend more time for the self-review. So let's stop here, then later we will show you the next video about the self-review.